All right, this is a little basket we just got in today. We got 2 of these. This is from KAKAMAY, KAKAMAY Housewares. I'm gonna open it up for us there. Take a look at this. What we're planning to do with this is we're gonna set this at the base of our artificial tree that we have, artificial holiday tree for the holidays. And that way the base of the tree is gonna be in here. And we also have the thought process is to keep our little pet from making a mess on the base of it. All right, so nice basket for, you know, decorating. Some nice handles on the side. You see a little tag right here. Handmade with love. How about that? Handmade. Very nice. So we got 2 of these. This is one, a little tassel on here also. So if you're looking for a nice basket that you can fold up and put pretty much just whatever you want, this is what we got right here. Maybe this will work for you.